Can I have something to put on the wall?
Take a blankie.
A blankie wanky.
Yeah. Blanket is such a great detail.
Hey, what's up, you guys? This is better.
Stop flushing the toilet with your feet.
And go again.
What? It's really warm in here.
So many demands. It's hard to get around here.
This is what happens when you get A-list star quality.
Yikes.
Don't flush the toilet with your feet. Don't flush the toilet with your feet. Now what?
I'll give your speech.
Okay. 7 years ago. I feel like I need to stand. I feel like I'm going like this.
Hey, stand up.
Don't flush the toilet. This better.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, would you ever hang out with a
Married guy.
Time.
So a couple years ago, I saw this Instagram post, and it said,
She always interrupts me and tells me how to do it better, and it's like,
I'm the director here!
no, you're not. You're just sitting behind the camera.
Why am I here then?
To make sure it films.
To make sure it filmed, it's still on.
Dang.
Yeah.
Now I forget everything. Because there's so much pressure. I would never work as an actor. A couple years ago, I saw this Instagram post saying, if you flush the toilet like this, your parents raised you right. Here's a recreation of it. Flush. And when I saw that, I thought, ooh, but that's actually very counterintuitive.
Wait, you're shrinking.
Because what do you think's disgustinger? This
Disgusting her.
or this that just walked on the floor of the bathroom? What did I said? Yeah. Probably the thing that just touched the urine floor. I always look at it as I trust my hands more because I don't wipe with my hands, I wipe with toilet paper. So I'm gonna open the bathroom stall door, after flushing with my hand, and then I'm gonna go to the sink, and I'm gonna wash my hands, then I'm gonna touch the door. But what people that flush with their feet do is they go in, they touch the door handle, and then they wipe, and then they flush the toilet with their feet. If more people do that, then more people are touching that icky, sticky handle with their hands, people like me that flush with their hands, and then they touch the door handle to get out of the stall, and then they might go wash their hands. They don't have to. Some people are gross, and they just go straight to the door handle with the shoe-infected hands. So they're making that more disgusting for you, who's gonna go wash their hands and then go touch the door handle, and you're just touching your shoes.
Nobody wants to hold their shoes.
No! So all that you're doing is you're going and making a bad situation worse by adding shoes to the poop. You're just stirring.
It's like turning better in there.
Something that can solve it all is by not having a door, or having one that you can football open, or having hand sanitizer right outside it. But if there's hand sanitizer right outside it and you're gonna use it, then don't flush the toilet with your hand or your feet. Because then it's just more icky. And then those people are gonna walk around and touch the stuff that in the place that you're in. If you're in like a store or a school, then they're gonna touch it, and it's gotta be all poopy and shoey on like a desk or a mannequin. I don't know why everybody's touching mannequins. Yeah, you're just infecting the entire place that you're in with your shoe. So, stop. Yeah. I think I'm good now. I can sleep at night again.
How do I?
You just do it. Did you do it?
No. How do I make it stop?
Hi. Children, stop looking at me in two different directions.